Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you a very simple scenario that you can just download in the description below as a free blueprint that I'm just giving away to you entirely for free. This automation scenario workflow will completely change what your Facebook content looks like and how it is outputted. Okay, if outputted is a real word. I don't think it's a real word, but so this is a completely business changing and even life changing automation. Okay, why would you need to post manually when you can post automatically with AI? So before I get started, I just want to show you real quick who I am. I am an advanced Make.com specialist certified by Make.com. This is an extremely simple basic social media automation. If you want to view anything more complex that Make.com can do, click my portfolio in the link below and there will be a 30-minute video of my AI engine that I've created, which is very large. Okay, now let's get into this. Let's first just run this and so I can just show you that it works. Okay, so right now it's just generating the post, and it is going to post when it reaches this last Facebook module. Okay, this is a modular system. This supports long-form captions, embedded links, hashtags, and brand messaging. This aligns with professional or a community-focused tone. So let's just have a look. Okay, Rakito is my test account, as my viewers know. This is where I do my tests on. So let's just refresh this. Okay, so it should have posted. Let's have a look just now, as you can see here. So this is what it's posted with. You can see the hashtags are Rakito AI, and it's got the link to the website driving leads back to your website. Okay, so it's driving traffic to the site. This is the post. It works. So let's get into the bit of the technical stuff. Here I have used 4.0 Mini, and this just creates a category. This can be customized to whatever you want. It can be spiritual, it can be real estate, it can be sports. You can just customize this. This is just customized to the category AI, and this is the category that it's come up with. You can get the full prompt if you just click the blueprint. It will be there. Okay, this is the link to the website, and this generates the actual post. Okay, very simple, very easy. Okay, this is the prompt. Okay, here we have the link, so it adds the link to the post, and this is a very good prompt engineering example. Okay, designed with high precision. So you can just download the blueprint, get that all for free, and then you just connect your account to the Facebook module, and you put the result in here. Job done. Now you have Facebook posts. If you want to add an image, look at my other videos and you can see how to add an image into this. But this is extremely simple and can change your business, impact it greatly. Okay, so yes, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time.